I truly enjoy doing my skincare and makeup in front of all of you. Today I am going to be... Saan tayo, Ate Ira?
Sorry?
Saan tayo?
Robinsons, Manila.
Robinsons, Manila. Is that near?
It's far.
It's far. And we have the opening of Teviant at Robinsons, Manila. I'll be there around 1 o'clock-ish. So, I hope to see you guys. Good morning! Thank you! So, I just used the sun serum, which is going to be sent out to us very soon. Kinapungkak pa namin siya. And then, I'm going to use the Milk Glow. This is both out of stock. Essential na. But we are going to restock this soon. I want you to pay attention on how glowy this is gonna be. So this is a sunscreen for the body and for the face. But I use it for the face too. But I use it, you have to use it with a brush kasi sabog yung spray niya. But the formulation is insane. So give me time because I am going to be fixing the spray of this. Pero for the body, wala siyang problema. For the face lang. I love this one.
Nalagay na highlighter sa lips nila. Sa ibabaw. Sa tuktok yan. Siyempre, di ako marunong.
I have to. I'm gonna have to exfoliate my skin soon. Feel ko na siya. Hindi na siya as amazing as before. Time to exfoliate. At that's kailangan ko mag-dual Lux cleanser soon.
Ate.
It's time. Nagpapalit na naman yung ano.
Pagalawin mo yung baso.
Going ka na? Okay. Ako, meron ba ako dyan?
Yes. Ilalagay lang sa baso.
Ate, okay na ako dyan.
Oh, okay na to.
Ito. Gusto ko lang i...
Ay!
Kaya lang, walang mark.
No straw na. No straw.
No straw.
This is my moment in time kasi
Ikaw na.
kailangan ko na mag-scrub. Thank you so much. Ano to?
Thank you so much, your latte. Ulang pa? Cafe? Bago pa I owe you pa that time, ha?
Fresh. Sarap.
Saan sa'yo?
Any, parehas yung basta it's early tomorrow.
Okay.
Tapos nasama ka niya.
Yes.
My latte.
Baka mag-change.
Oh.
Because
Yeah. Yes.
Yes! You're really namamansin ako.
mga 5 looks tapos.
Unless hindi kita nakita.
Charing.
Kasi medyo lumalabo na yung mata ko lately.
Kailangan mo na yung eye drops.
Tsaka lumalabo yung mata ko kapag nagsasak ka ng energy o bad energy kita, hindi rin kita nakikita. Ganun na yun. But, namamansin ako. Okay, so, whoosh! Ang lapit ng... Okay, so... Oh, malapit lang sa'yo yung ano? Yung...
Sa'yo?
Saan yung Teviant ko? Okay, I'm using Teviant today because we are going to the Teviant opening, but I always use Teviant. Favorite ko talaga yung concealer na to.
Oo.
So I'm just gonna put around.
Bakit ba bibili ka?
I know! I'm so happy! Actually, 1 year in the making na tong Macdo na to. 1 year in the making, pero lifetime na sa puso. Bakit kayo nagbubulungan?
Ay, kasi
Huwag ka na bumili.
Nilakasan tuloy.
Bigyan na lang
Huwag ka
kita
na
sa
bumili.
December. Sa Pasko, itayin mo.
Alin yan? Ay,
Kailangan ko mag-ano.
Relax sa boses ko. Kaya nga sila parang talaga nilabas nila.
Sa Pasko.
Nilabas ko lahat ng
Hello!
Today's
See you later at Tevyant!
Pasko na.
Cute naman.
Itayin mo.
Oh, my skin is not at its best today.
Itayin mo na lang.
Kailangan ko mag-scrub.
Ito? Ito.
Meron akong, meron akong build up. Hindi ako natutuwa. Hello! Nagda-dry ako.
Stress.
Ba't ako dry na dry?
You see it. Alin?
Extension,
si Red. Hindi pa rin eh. Yung color, no?
Guys, I'm gonna go scrub my face. Uulitin ko ang skincare ko because I think kasi dry yung parang nagpapalit na ako ng anyo.
Nagsished na.
Nag-shit. No, I'm not a snake. Meaning to say, nagpapalit lang. Nagda-dryness na ulit. Kasi it's, di ba nga, once a week, ganyan. So, yung build-up niyan. So, I'm gonna come back, okay? I'm gonna go do my skincare. I'll be back and I'll call you later. Kailangan ko to ulitin. See you. Give me like a few minutes.